So this is all about recording, doing programming in Python. So there's a few things we need to be aware of. First one is that we're going to be using terminal, okay, to do the work. We're going to have to learn how to navigate to a folder in terminal. Have to learn how to get in and out of Python. So that's getting in, this is getting out, and this is instructing Python to do something. So the first thing we need to do is open up terminal. So we just go up to here, type in terminal, hit enter. Terminal starts off like this. Just shows you your default folder. Using terminal commands, I type in ls. It gives me a list of where I'm at this stage. I then go into documents folder because that's where I actually want to be. So I'm going to CD for change directory to documents. Right, I hit enter, go into it, type ls, shows me all my document folders. I've already created a folder called my Python. So I'm just going to go quickly ahead and delete what's actually in there. It helps if I spell it right. Okay, I have a look, see what's in there. I'll delete that file. Deleted, so I can CD back out. 2 dots after CD means go back up a level. I go ls, I can still see the my Python folder. I'm going to remove the directory, so I go rmdir for remove directory. Name of the directory. Okay, and then it's gone. I click ls, it is now gone. So this is where you come back in. So you're currently in your documents folder, indicated by that. I'm now going to make a directory called myPython. Okay. No, that's spelt wrong. I'll redo that. Forgot the P for Python and the Y, myPython. I go ls. I've got a new directory there called myPython. I now want to enter Python, so I just type in Python. You want to catch up, William? If I type in Python and I see all this pop up, then I know I've been successful. Python is installed successfully on this machine. William, you need to be watching this. All right. So I type in a bit of code just to test, print. Hello world. Hit enter and it executes the code. And I know that Python is working successfully. I can now go Control-Z on the keyboard, and that takes me out of the Python environment and takes me back to my default environment. I go ls, I'm still in my documents folder. I actually want to go into my myPython folder. So go cd myPython, go ls, there's nothing in there because I haven't put anything there yet. So what I do now is I go to my favorite text editor, which in this case was going to be Text Wrangler. Create a new file. And I'm going to type in exactly the same instructions I put in the command line. Save my file. Now, all Python files end in Python and a .py, so I'm just going to call this one hello.py. I navigate to my documents folder, find my Python folder, double click on that, save it in there. So now it's saved. So if I now go back to terminal, go ls, I can now see that my hello.python file is there. To execute my file, while in terminal, all I have to do is type in Python, the name of the file, hit enter, and it executes the file. So that is how you run a quick script in Python and then run the text file with the same code using your text editor and then executing it on the main line in the console terminal folder. So I'll leave it at that, and you can revisit this video at any time.